Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the basics of using Tradingview, a powerful and a user-friendly platform for all retail traders and investors. So whether you are a beginner or you are a professional trader, in this video, I will teach you about everything, every tiny bit of using Tradingview. So let's get started. Before we get started, make sure you have signed up for the Tradingview account. If you haven't, pause the video right now and go and sign up for the TradingView and open it in your browser. Once you are in, you'll land on the TradingView dashboard. It's where you'll do all your analysis and charting. So on the left, you can see some trading tools which you can use while trading. Like there's trend line. When you click here, you can draw a trend line like this. If you want to mark a support and resistance zone, there's horizontal line here. If you want to mark a range, there's a rectangle tool over here where you can mark the support zone or resistance zone. If you want to add some indicators, you can click here and you can search for MACD, RSI, anything you want. You can create your favorite watch list by clicking over here and add your favorite symbols to trade. If you want to share your charts with your friend, you can click the camera over here and you can see copy image or copy link, so you can copy the link of the image and share it with your friends. If you found this video helpful, share with all your trader friends and follow me for more such content.